Hi beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. So beauties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you the benefits of rice water to the skin and how you can make your own rice water face toner at home. By clicking on this video today, is either you are aware of the rice water benefits or you just want to know all about it. So for those of you who do not know about it, let me start by explaining the benefits of rice water. Then I will then show you how to make a face toner using rice water. Rice water is loaded with vitamins, minerals that helps to maintain a healthy and beautiful skin. Rice water is a natural skin toner and it contains amino acids which promote cell growth, stimulate blood flow, and keeps the skin smooth and bright. Rice water helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and tightens large pores, and it also contains anti-inflammatory properties. What is rice water? Rice water is the starch that is left over after rice is left to soak or after cooking. This water helps to treat acne, soothe inflamed skin, and skin rashes, and is also used to treat damaged and aging skin. It's also a dark spot remover. Rice water is great for toning and enhancing the skin, thereby giving you a brightened skin and a more even complexion due to its high level of antioxidant properties in it. And now that you know all this, let's get started on how to prepare rice water face toner. To make this rice water, you'll be needing 1 cup of rice. Any kind of rice will do. Pour it inside a bowl and rinse very well to remove any dirt from it. I would prefer that you wash it 2 to 3 times to make sure that it's clean. Place the clean rice in the bowl and add the water in it. Stir and cover it and let it soak for 2 to 3 hours. During this time, excess vitamins and minerals will seep into the water. And after 2 to 3 hours later, strain the water carefully in a spray bottle. This water is better used at night. Spray it all over your entire face an hour before you go to bed. Let it dry on your face and stay overnight on your face. Then wash it off early in the morning when you wake up. But if you don't have a spray bottle, strain it in an airtight container and dip a cotton pad into the liquid and gently massage it all over your entire face and let it to air dry. The regular use of rice water on your face will give you a supple, soft and tight, radiant, youthful skin. So if you have been throwing away your rice water, I will strongly suggest that you consider this. If you are new to this channel, please do consider to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more interesting and helpful videos. Thank you so much. Bye.